Do you know many people are having trouble with using washing machines efficiently? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Sort laundry. Begin by sorting your laundry by fabric type and color and remove any items from pockets. Step 2. Load machine. Load the washing machine with your sorted laundry, ensuring there is enough space for movement. Step 3. Add detergent. Add the appropriate detergent and softener according to the fabric and soil level. Step 4. Select program. Select the right wash program for your fabrics and adjust any additional settings as needed. Step 5. Start wash. Press the Start button and monitor as the washing cycle progresses. Step 6. Finish up. When finished, promptly remove clothes to prevent wrinkles and leave the door open to dry. Now you should be able to operate the Artusi AWD845W washing machine effortlessly. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Artusi users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.